Okay, so hello everyone. Hopefully you all are doing fine, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about object. Now, object is a very important data type in JavaScript, and you have must heard the thing that everything in JavaScript is an object. So by definition, or it's not any definition, it's specifically by me that object is a data type in JavaScript where everything is stored in key value pairs. So, okay, the main meaning of this is everything is stored in key value pairs. So, what is object? What is key value pairs? Let me talk to you, or let me speak about this. Let us go to the code now. Okay, suppose we will instantiate the way everyone teaches, but you can also do something like this. Let posts equals to new object, and now if we console log posts, this is just for a very simple thing. And now if we run this, yeah, you see it's an object. And now if you want to find the data type, okay, so here you see I get this is an object, but this style is good, but I hope that rather than this we would write something like this. Let posts equals to this. Now it's an object. We yet haven't stored any value inside the object in form of key value pairs. So first, okay, so the type of is object. So this is what an object is, and in the next tutorial we'll be talking about the properties in an object, and we would further explain the key value pair thing. So as of now you know how to instantiate an object and check its data type. So this is how you write an object, and in the next tutorial I'll be talking about the properties in an object. So that is very much it. Thank you.